Hello, my name is Chris Parker and I'm European Product Manager at Sharp. Welcome to ISE 2019, our Engage area. This is about getting the visual attention of the public, and here at ISE we are launching 12 new 4K signage products. Big range covering our PNHB, PNHM and PNHW ranges. So 65-inch, 75-inch, 85-inch on the HB and HM range. These are equipped with Android 7.1 SoCs, great for running applications. These HM and HB series also equipped with Mini OPS for further flexibility.
These Mini OPS slots HD-Base-T to feed the display across 100 meter by cut cable. We have a PC possibility, Wi-Fi possibility for bring your own device. Everything in that way is possible.
And not to forget a whole range of other sizes from 43-inch all the way up to 86-inch with that PNHW range. A lot of 4K signage from Sharp. We've got a huge portfolio.